Okay guys, so before I start anything, I am not a makeup artist, so I'm just a fitness instructor that put on makeup during classes. Yeah, because I'm a girl. I'm so girly, yeah. Okay, anyways, so we'll start with the first look. I'll put on this for the eyes. My shadow, I just usually dab it like this. And just use my fingers and just dab it like that, or sometimes I use the brush. This is from Alima Pure. I really like this brand because they usually have organic stuff, and I just brush it like that because sometimes like I sleep really late and I already have dark circles around my eyes, and people sometimes thought that I actually wear eyeshadow. So yeah, and that's it for the eyes. And sometimes I don't really use eyebrow pencil because I already have a lot of hair in one line like that, but if I feel that I really want to, I just use this for benefit. Okay, and the next one will be cheeks. So cheeks, yeah, Bobbi Brown. I dab it like this, just one, and yeah, I'll put it on my face like that. I don't really know how to wear makeup, people. You'd be laughing at me looking at this. And then I actually have my pizza with me. It's burned. I'm gonna eat it. Okay. And then I use this blusher. Yeah. Oh my god, I always eat my blushers. I put it on my lips. Yeah. It's a 3-in-1. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I put it on my eyes, and then my cheeks, and then my mouth, and then I tend to eat this when I drink water a lot in classes. So yeah, that's it. This is the first look. Way up for the second, third look. Okay, so for the second look, actually I don't really do a lot. Like I don't really add on so much. Usually I just play around with the eyes or mouth or lips. So I got this. It's also the same brand from Live Juice. I'm such a big fan. Okay, it's all made from mica. Very organic. Yeah, it's very raw. So it's just like bits and pieces of stuff, and I just dab some of it like this, or use a brush too. And you see that? Just to add something with glitter. Does it pops? Yeah, something like that. I like to have my eyes pop sometimes, you know, when you have so many classes in a week and you feel like you need something more different on a Friday. Add something that pops. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, I add colors too. Sometimes I just use a gold. So sometimes I use a pink, and it adds something above. I'm not a makeup artist, you guys, so you know, those are much better than me. This is just like for some people who are just like me, nerd, and just don't care but still want to look good, something like that. Okay, third look, simple, same thing. It's just sometimes I use this powder from Hourglass. It's luminous light. I like it, so just dab it all around my face just to make it a little bit more flawless, because I got a lot of stuff on my face and it's not so nice. I need to conceal it. And yeah, Balmain. So I use this lipstick. It's purple. I like to use some poppy color sometimes, you know. I used to go to workouts and wear this. I mean, like those kind of lipsticks that have some bold colors. So the other day I went to yoga and used some chocolate color from Bobbi Brown. I have this super bright orange from MAC. I'm not a lipstick fan, but I just love something bold all the time. So there it is. this is my look for the third look. Just put on lipstick, change a little bit of the eyeshadows. Yeah, you'll be thinking, am I going for spots or am I just... It's okay. I'm gonna eat my pizza again.